Hi, this is Brooklyn Wilson, and this is my home and welcome page. We're just going to start out here. So up here I have a bigger kind of logo. Up here is my actual logo. This kind of goes into depth of what my blog is and what I will be writing about. I had this idea to do 30-day challenges where I pick either 4 challenges or one specific one, and I write about it each month and tell you how it became a habit and if it affected my life positively. And kind of later, months later, I go into detail of which challenges affected my life the most and what I still do. So then down here, I have my most recent blog posts. And if you want to learn more about the 30-day challenges, you can click on the 30-day challenge. And then it should have all my posts that are for my 30-day challenges. So if you click on this one, this is the only one I have up so far. Kind of talks about my challenges this month, and you can leave a comment down here. And then on the side, I have my subscription and my Instagram, which is where I get most of my viewers, and then my little bio, which is right here. If you want to get to know me a little bit more, you can go to a more in-depth welcome. And this is also where you can contact me. So this is kind of who I am, what I'm doing, all that stuff. And then here's my contact form and all my social media platforms, which you can reach out to me there as well. And if you want to see any other of my blog posts, you can go to blog. I don't have any specific blog posts for lifestyle or featured yet, but on these, this has all 3 of my blog posts so far. Just has everything if you're just kind of looking to read. And then I also have my shop up here, and I sell presets. So this picture is the filtered picture, and down here I have without the filter and then with it. So I've only sold one so far. I'm hoping to get into this a little bit more and mess around and make it my own. I've had a lot of fun doing this. I've been able to work more with the Adobe programs like Illustrator, Photoshop, and more. I'm hoping to do videos on here as well. Something that I really struggled with was really myself. I got frustrated very easily, and I would run to the discussion board to ask everybody else how to fix things. When in reality, I learned that I can research things on my own and figure things out on my own, because I know you guys are great and you've helped me so much, but from here on out, I've kind of got to figure things out by myself. So that was kind of a learning curve, but I have appreciated all the help. I've loved customizing this. This has been so much fun, and I'm excited to see everybody else's.